Oh, hey. Hello. Yay, little dancing things. Yeah. Well, I'm back. And we're gonna do some more Spark stuff today. Specifically, we are going to try and do. What are we trying to do? Uh, something. God damn it. Fuck, sorry. Um, hmm. Yeah, cool. I love that. Um, so sorry. My brain is like going in five different places, even though it barely started. So we are going to look at a Jira. And it is about something. I wrote this downstairs. How can I forget so quickly? Dude, what's my Jira? Did I put it in the description? No. Wait, maybe I did. Maybe it's over here. Let's go take a look over here. 80% sure I have it over here. Let's get some synthwave music playing while we're waiting. Alexa, turn on Holden's speakers. There we go. There's my Jira. Okay, so we are looking at, yes, exposing column expressions as developer APIs for Spark 4 preview. So let's talk through why this matters. So if you want to extend Spark and you want to write something that behaves kind of like the other built-ins inside of Spark, which is a pretty common thing, you kind of want to be able to construct columns that are then going to have like pretty similar behavior. And part of that means being able to make a code-generated column. And you do that with expressions. The expressions API is public, but columns, which is what you can actually pass to most of the data frame APIs, no longer in 4.0 Preview 2 have a direct constructor over top of expressions available. Instead, it's hidden. And so this was the conversation that I had with Herman. And I was like, hey, I think these are the two things that I want to make public as developer APIs. And Herman is like, I don't know why you need this. And then I responded with like, this is why I think I need this. And so we've got this example here. And so this came out of me trying the preview. And this is kind of what previews are all about, is catching these sort of API issues early before we sort of lock our API down or freeze our API. So we're gonna take that and we're gonna work on it. Now, what branch am I on? Yeah, okay. Yeah. This is going to be column expression APIs. Cool. Okay. So expression column node, I don't remember where that is. Let's go find it. It's in column node support. Okay. The other thing that we're going to want to do is we're going to want to make sure that we mark stuff as a developer API. So find that. We need to find the developer API annotation. Not super surprisingly, it's inside of Org Apache Spark annotation. So let's go ahead and import that. Developer API. Okay. Oh, god damn it. No, this is not the one that I'm... Is this the one I'm thinking of? This is the fucking connectors. I hate... Sorry. I have opinions about the fact that, like, we're reusing all the same classes, so my, like, Magid stuff doesn't work anymore. I don't love it. But, hey, whatever. Yeah. Okay, cool. So now over here is... or Apache Spark annotation dot developer API. Cool. And we go over here. That can be private. I think I don't really care about the trait. It's the object I think that I want to be public. Yeah. Expression utils. Would that do it for me? Expression column node. Although actually, I guess expression utils, these are the two functions that I care about, but these are implicitly defined. Create an expression backed by a column. Okay, well, I'm gonna go look at the hack that I did to work around this not being public, because I documented that. Let's go over here. We're gonna look for evil. Yeah, evil tools. So the two things that we use are column to expression converter. There we go. It's not going to be a private anymore. We're going to make that a developer API. And the other one is expression column node. And yeah, you are also not going to be anymore. You are going to have a developer API. Oh, I'm not opening that right now. Whatever. Okay. Let's run the Scala lint because we might have screwed up the import order. Never say for sure. Main thing here is going to be justifying the change in the PR rather than the actual change. It's okay. Hmm. That's weird. Normally it would like finish after saying this. Okay. Scala check and Scala format. Okay. Make into developer APIs instead of internal, so that external advanced developers can write columns with CodeGen that take in columns for input. Cool. Now we go ahead. I'm going to push that API upstream. Yeah. Let's go ahead and make a PR. Spark. Okay. It's going to be SQL expose column. What are these? It's a column. Column node to expression util. Two from expression utils developer APIs. Yep. Okay. It is. It's got the branch. Okay. This is the changes proposed. Why are these changes needed? Okay. After the introduction of the column node interface, external advanced developers building CodeGen expressions wishing to provide a Scala API to hack around and access internal Spark APIs. This is illustrated in my PR, upgrading Spark testing base, CodeGen examples to Spark 4. Spark 4 for YouTube. See. Okay. Spark testing base. That's going to be one of the closed ones. There we go. No developer only. Annotations like visibility only change. Verified manually that these APIs would be sufficient in no. Okay, fantastic. That's a pretty solid start. Okay. And yeah. We're going to request him as the reviewer because he's the one that added these interfaces that don't do what I need them to do. Which is understandable. Like this is a very sort of cornery case thing, but it's something that I know a lot of places use because being able to provide code-generated custom expressions is super important for really high performance integrations. So that's good. And yeah. Okay. That's fantastic, actually. So, the other thing that I'm going to do is I want to go take a look at Maven Central, and I want to see how we're doing with our new deploy of Spark Testing Base 4.0. Did it get deployed? It looks like it did. Yeah. I love it. Okay, so the other thing that we're going to do is we are going to let the world know that Spark Testing Base for version 2 is now available. Well, 201 actually, technically, because, oh, god damn it, fucking piece of shit. Sorry, Twitter's just such hot garbage nowadays that it's like I don't even know. Okay. I guess we're not telling people on Twitter because that's not working. Love that. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Super excited to announce that Spark Testing Base now has JDK17 support and is available for Spark 4 Preview 2. So if you've been waiting on JDK17 or Spark 4 Preview 2 support, you'll get your fresh bits from Maven Central. Cool. Okay. Here we go. Fantastic. Okay. 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 Cool. Okay. That's great. That's a pretty quick one. So we're just gonna wrap up. We got
I'm not sure I understand.
God damn it, Siri. I wasn't talking to you. So what did we do? We raised a PR. Simplest PR I've raised in a long time because it's just like changing just a few lines. It's just about changing visibility. But even with that small amount of changes, we had to like write a non-trivial justification for why it's important, and we let people know that Spark Testing Base has Spark 4 Preview 2 support available. So I think that's pretty fantastic, and that's great. I'm going to go back downstairs where it is less hot because it is really hot right now in San Francisco. And I'm going to go do like some day job stuff. I don't remember what it is, but I'm sure it's important. Maybe, yeah, whatever. I'm sure my computer will remind me. Thanks so much for joining, especially Monochromatic. Thanks for the little chat at the start. Got little dancing emojis right up there, and they bring me joy. Depending on how vibes go tonight, I might stream some debugging with the health insurance project